welcome back everyone. Today's book is called Dear Zoo by Rod Campbell. It's a lift the flap book, so we get to discover all these hidden animals throughout the book. Are you guys ready? I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me a... What do you guys think is in that big crate, in that big box? Listen. Whoa, did you hear that? I wonder what's in the box. An elephant! Good job, kids. He was too big, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... You guys recognize this animal? It's a giraffe. Listen to him eat. He was too tall, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... You guys recognize the shape of the animal inside the big crate? Listen. Whoa. It's a lion. He was too fierce, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... What's that, guys? It's a camel. Listen. He was too grumpy, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... Whoa. He was too scary, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... monkey. He was too naughty, so I sent him back. So they sent me a... frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a... What do you guys think is in this container? Apparently the perfect pet. Because it says right here, he was perfect. I kept him. Listen. Can you tell what it is? Let's see. A puppy. Aww. The end. Wasn't this a great book? I love this book so much, and as you can see from the condition of the book, I read this book to my kids many, many times. It's a wonderful book. I recommend it for anyone that would like to pick it up. It's especially perfect for those very young preschool age kids that are still developing vocabulary around the theme of animals or zoo animals. And you can also practice your prepositions such as the word in, out, right? So you can say they're in the box, they're out of the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this book. See you next time.